Gutter cleanliness is extremely important to your home's maintenance. Buildups can cause unnecessary damage and a potential leak. So we're going to be proactive today and take care of these gutters. I'm Sebby with Bill Ragan Roofing. Thank you for watching the roofing channel, and let's get started. Before you begin, you want to make sure you have all the tools you need to make this process as fast and as easy as possible. 2 buckets, one for debris, one for tools. A ladder that is steady, gloves so you don't get dirty or cut yourself on the side of the gutter. Gutter scraper to get the debris out. In this case, I just used a piece of metal to cut to the size of my gutter so that I could scrape that bottom clean of debris. A hose with a spray nozzle to flush everything out. And if you have any other gutter removal tools, you most definitely should use them. But these are just the basics you need to get the job done. Step 1, place your ladder. Make sure that it's on a flat surface. Grab your buckets and head up the ladder. Step 2, remove debris. If it's wet from a recent rain, make sure that you use your gloves. If the debris is dry, you can use a leaf blower. Put the debris in a bucket for a quicker cleanup. Step 3, flush out your gutters. There's 2 ways to do this. You can use a hose to spray high-pressured water into the gutters, or you can use a leaf blower to blow out that debris. Step 4, check the water flow. I'm going to drop this nail down the downspout just to prove that it's clear. You'll be able to hear it, and then you'll see it come out the bottom. Now you know how to clean out a gutter. You'll have the cleanest gutters in the neighborhood. If getting on a ladder makes you nervous, make sure to watch our video on how to climb a ladder. I'm Sebby with Bill Ragan Roofing. Thank you for watching the roofing channel, and make sure that you like and subscribe so we can keep sharing this information with homeowners like you. See you next time.